Hi, I'm Steve Crimmy, and I'm excited to be teaching the high school math curriculum with Seasons of 7 in the coming school year. The math curriculum in the Waldorf school really places an emphasis on developing mathematical thinking and on expanding your view of the world, on using more flexible thinking to see the world in new and different ways and to be surprised by some of the insights and idiosyncrasies of mathematics. We take the skills that we've acquired in grade school and apply those skills in different ways in high school throughout the curriculum to come to new understandings of seemingly simple things. Consider, for example, the humble triangle. In grade school, we learn about the humble triangle as a shape, like a square or a circle. And eventually we build up to the point where we're constructing Platonic solids out of equilateral triangles, such as the icosahedron and the octahedron and the tetrahedron. But when we get to high school, we can start to see the triangle in even more interesting ways. So if we take a simple skill, like bisecting an angle that we learned in the 6th grade, and we apply that to a triangle, we come to a new kind of insight. Using that angle bisecting skill, we can bisect the 3 angles of a triangle and discover that those angle bisectors actually meet in the middle. And that middle, that center of the triangle, is the center of an inscribed circle inside the triangle. But that's actually just one of the centers of a triangle. And in 10th grade math, we get to discover all of the centers of a triangle. In 10th grade, we're also introduced to the idea of the sides of the triangle spreading out to infinity. This is known as the complete triangle. And if we imagine a dot in the orange field of the complete triangle, and that dot is slowly making its way away from the triangle, when it goes off of the edge, where does it go? We learn that it crosses back to the other side, begins to come towards the triangle again, having crossed over infinity. That becomes the foundation for projective geometry in the 11th grade. But that's not the end of our journey with the triangle. In 12th grade, we visit the equilateral triangle, and by repeating an iteration, the same simple process over and over again, the triangle reveals an interesting and complex shape that exists but kind of shouldn't exist. It seems like something out of fantasy, but you're probably carrying it in your pocket right now. But if you want to find out that mystery, you'll have to come to 12th grade math.